I have been using this cycle for past 1 month. It is an amazing experience to ride on this. It is very convenient for riding up on bridges, flyovers. It is definitely a great deal to buy. I bought this in Amazon Great Indian Festival just for 20 rupees 200. Whenever you feel tired, just switch on the throttle mode and enjoy. Value for money. Go for it. Bike looks cool. Any service centers in Pune? Is it the same brand, Hero, of Hero Cycles? And obviously it's made in China. Ha 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 ha. %98 assemble. Very easy to assemble rest. Awesome pick and nice product. Delivery was seamless. Go for it. Writing a review after using the cycle after a month. Cycle delivered after a week from the date of order. No fastest delivery date was available. You have to choose delivery as system generated convenient date. Product was shipped by third-party courier, nicely packed and neatly delivered. Item received was a complete cycle, a box containing charger, a multi-spanner, and 2 Allen keys and pedals. Almost 90% assembled. You have to fit pedal and fix handlebar and adjust seat height as per your convenience. Please remember, left pedal marked L will have left hand thread and pedal marked R will have right hand thread. You cannot interchange or misfit. While adjusting seat height, please take care of reflecting light mirror underseat. In my case, I have accidentally broken it. Handlebar has to be tightened using Allen key. Front wheel also has tightener. After assembling all, charged the cycle. Pros: all modes like low, medium, high, 6 km/h and throttling works well. Battery assist is good. You can really enjoy even long rides above 10 km/h. Riding through traffic and signals is convenient in pedal assist mode. Riding through slopes and bridges are easy. No petrol, no license and no insurance. Average speed maintained 18 km/h and max speed achieved 29 km/h for commuting a distance of 24 km/h. Cons: not preferable for children as battery assist mode suddenly picks up RPM. Seat is very uncomfortable for me. Hope I get too used to it. Charging takes more time. Literally it took 4 hours from low battery to full charge. My suggestion is you can buy this cycle if you are commuting to your office within 10 to 15 km/h. Really, battery backup is good. You can easily commute with pedal assist mode up to 40 km/h. Be ready to spend for seat cover, mudguard and light if you are commuting at night. Working as desired. Quality also good. But one should understand that you need to prepare to spend another 2 to 3 thousands for essentials like mud guards, increasing height of handlebar, comfortable seat and arrangements for recharge facility etc. Charging time is mentioned. Perfect but pricey. Price should be around 18,000 rupees. Packaging was good. Lack accessories. Perfect cycle comfort ride pickup smooth. I love this. Thanks Amazon ND Hero 5-star rating. It's doing good but speed is very slow and front disc brake gives sound. I need Survive Center in Goa, Margo. Click link in description for more reviews.